Namaste, my dear friends and family. Thank you for joining us for the Chakra Meditation Workshop. And this is the portion of the practice where we are looking at the chakra petals and the related Sanskrit letters. So we made our way up to the Ajna chakra, which has 2 petals. So let's begin by sharing the Shanti mantra. And take a breath in. Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahana Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karavavahe Tejasvinavid Tamastu Mavid Vishavahe. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. And as you exhale, release the pose. So looking at the Ajna chakra, we remember that it is a vocalized Om, is as the Bija sound. There are 2 aspirants, which are part of the Sanskrit letters, alphabet, for the petals. Now, what you might not have seen is the right-sided petal, which is ksha. So in English, we would write it K-S-H-A, ksha. And this is how we make it. I like to make the vertical line first, and then come up, circle around, and have the horizontal line. The left-sided petal is ha. So we've seen this one before. Now remember, as a mantra, these letters all have the sound to continue with the resonance. So ksham and hum. The crown chakra is a circle with 1,000 petals. Now, what's interesting about chakra meditation and any kind of observance of chakras is to remember that in this system, really the culmination of your spirituality and of the prana moving through the chakra system is that after the Ajna chakra, it goes to the crown chakra and enlightenment. Whereas the other chakras, in some ways, you can think that it is a processing center and a center of engagement of different energies. The culmination is in the crown chakra. Alrighty? Just to help you sort of understand the 7 chakra system. So we're going to leave it here. The next video, we're going to actually look at how to pronounce these letters. But like I said, please practice to your capacity. Take your time. Get comfortable with the different movements of making the Sanskrit letters and relating them to the petals and to the chakras. So I will see you in our next video. Let's share the pranava all together. Take a breath in. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Thank you. See you in the next video.